Today, we are breaking down hot project ideas for 2026 and the crucial tips to make yours a success. Let's dive in.
AI Code Review Assistant, an intelligent system that uses machine learning to review code, suggest improvements, detect bugs, and explain complex code segments. This tool can help developers write better code and learn best practices. Key features: automated code quality assessment, security vulnerability detection, personalized learning recommendations, integration with popular IDEs. Blockchain academic verification, a decentralized system for issuing and verifying academic credentials using blockchain technology. This prevents degree fraud and simplifies the verification process for employers and institutions. Key features: tamper-proof credential storage, instant verification system, reduced administrative overhead, student-owned academic records. AR navigation for visually impaired, an augmented reality application that uses smartphone sensors and computer vision to assist visually impaired individuals with indoor navigation. The system provides audio cues for obstacles and directions. Key features: real-time obstacle detection, voice-guided navigation, point-of-interest recognition, offline functionality. Deepfake detection system, a platform that uses deep learning algorithms to detect deepfake videos and images. This tool can help combat misinformation and protect against identity fraud in digital media. Key features: real-time deepfake detection, browser extension for social media, confidence scoring system, educational mode explaining detection. Gesture control interface, a human-computer interaction system that allows users to control applications and devices through hand gestures. Using computer vision, this project creates a touchless interface for various applications. Key features: real-time hand tracking, customizable gesture commands, multi-platform compatibility, low computational requirements. IoT Smart Campus System, a comprehensive IoT solution for optimizing campus operations including energy management, attendance tracking, room utilization, and security monitoring through connected sensors and devices. Key features: smart energy conservation, automated attendance system, predictive maintenance alerts, centralized dashboard. Real-time sign language translator, an AI-powered system that translates sign language into text and speech in real time using computer vision and natural language processing, facilitating communication for the hearing impaired. Key features: real-time translation, support for multiple sign languages, mobile and web compatibility, speech-to-sign language conversion. Health monitoring wearable, a wearable device with companion app that monitors vital signs, detects health anomalies, and provides personalized health recommendations using sensor data and machine learning algorithms. Key features: continuous health monitoring, emergency alert system, health trend analysis, integration with healthcare providers. Essential project success tips. Please subscribe this channel for more updates. Thanks for watching this video.